How to fix privacy error in Google Chrome. So if you want to fix the privacy error in Google Chrome, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Chrome. Once you're on the Google Chrome, now you need to simply go for the search and you need to search for SSLshopper.com/ssl-checker.html. And once you search, it will take you to this kind of page, right? So here you need to enter the key on your keyboard, type a URL of a website for which you are getting an error of privacy. So for demo purposes, I am typing www.google.com, and once you enter, just click on check SSL, and after that it will show you the status report about the certification of a website, and you need to remove that, refresh your page and try to visit the web page again in which you are facing the problem. So go for the website again, search for it, and then again try to reload the web page, because sometimes it will resolve to help the issue. And if you're using a public Wi-Fi network, then it may cause a privacy error in a Google Chrome with a non-SSL website. You can also go and try to open a website in incognito mode. If the website is working fine in incognito mode, then try to disable some extensions which may cause the privacy error. So simply go for extensions, manage extensions, and then try to disable or turn off the extension which are causing the issue. Or again, go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then you need to go for delete browsing data or clear browsing data. And then you can clear your browsing data from last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And you need to go for clear data, and after that your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix your privacy error in your Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.